Here are different tips to keep in mind while decorating walls with lights. Planning and design. 1. Determine the purpose. Decide whether the lights are for ambiance, task lighting, or decoration. 2. Choose the right type. Select lights that fit your purpose, such as string lights, LED strips, or wall sconces. 3. Consider the color temperature. Warm white lights create a cozy atmosphere, while cool white lights provide a brighter, more energizing ambiance. 4. Plan the layout. Decide on the pattern and placement of the lights to achieve the desired effect. Installation and safety. 1. Use safe and durable fixtures. Choose lights that are designed for indoor or outdoor use, depending on your needs. 2. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and usage. 3. Avoid overloading. Don't overload electrical outlets or circuits with too many lights. 4. Secure cords and wires. Keep cords and wires organized and secure to avoid tripping hazards. Design tips. 1. Create a focal point. Use lights to draw attention to a specific area or feature of the wall. 2. Use dimmers. Install dimmers to adjust the brightness and create different ambiance. 3. Mix and match. Combine different types of lights, such as string lights and wall sconces, to create a unique look. 4. Consider the wall color. Choose lights that complement the color and texture of the wall. Tips for specific spaces. 1. Living room. Use warm and cozy lights to create a relaxing atmosphere. 2. Bedroom. Use soft and calming lights to promote sleep and relaxation. 3. Outdoor spaces. Use weather-resistant lights to create a beautiful and inviting ambiance. 4. Hallways. Use lights to create a sense of depth and make the space feel larger. Maintenance and troubleshooting. 1. Regularly check and replace bulbs. Ensure that all lights are working properly and replace bulbs as needed. 2. Clean lights regularly. Dust and clean lights to maintain their brightness and longevity. 3. Troubleshoot issues. Identify and fix any issues with the lights, such as faulty connections or damaged cords. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful and functional lighting design that enhances the ambiance and functionality of your space.